Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that has become increasingly important in our modern work environment: self-management, specifically in the context of remote working. As many of us have experienced, remote work brings its own set of challenges and requires a unique set of skills to succeed. By mastering the art of self-management, we can navigate these challenges and excel in our remote work environments. One key skill that plays a vital role in self-management is organization. When working remotely, it's crucial to plan and monitor our activities. By having a clear plan and structure in place, we can ensure that our tasks are completed efficiently and goals are met. Think about creating to-do lists, setting priorities, and establishing routines that help you stay on track. Discipline is another essential skill for remote self-management. Without the structure of a traditional office environment, it's easy to get distracted and lose focus. By following tasks and plans diligently, we can avoid unnecessary distractions and maintain our productivity. By staying disciplined, we can ensure that our work is completed effectively, even without constant supervision. Problem solving is a skill that becomes even more valuable in remote work scenarios. When issues arise, we need to focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on difficulties. Remote work often requires us to resolve problems independently, as we may not have immediate access to colleagues or supervisors. By developing a problem-solving approach, we can tackle challenges head-on and keep our work moving forward. Self-motivation is a key attribute for success in remote work. Without the physical presence of coworkers or supervisors, it's important to find motivation from within. By being self-motivated, we can ensure that we complete our goals and tasks with minimal supervision or external encouragement. This self-drive will propel us forward, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Now, let's discuss how we can reduce the impact of overworking when working remotely. It's easy to lose track of time and overexert ourselves in the absence of clear boundaries. Establishing a routine becomes paramount in maintaining a healthy work-life balance. By setting specific work and break times, scheduling meetings, and adhering to them, we create a structure that helps us avoid overworking. Taking regular breaks is essential for our well-being and productivity. It's important to rest our eyes, avoid prolonged sitting, and recharge regularly. Stepping away from our screens and giving ourselves time to relax and rejuvenate enables us to return to work with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. Working agreed hours is crucial to maintaining a healthy work-life integration. While occasional flexibility may be necessary, it's important not to make overworking the norm. By adhering to the agreed-upon number of work hours, we ensure that we have time for personal activities and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Taking time off when sick is not only a personal responsibility but also a crucial aspect of self-management. When we are unable to perform our duties due to illness, it's important to prioritize our health and well-being. By allowing ourselves the time to recover and fully recuperate, we can come back to work at our best. Creating a distinct workspace is another key element in reducing the impact of overworking. When working from home, it's easy for our personal and work lives to blur together. By setting up a designated workspace that is separate from our personal or family spaces, we create a physical boundary that helps us mentally switch between work and personal life. Finally, disengaging from work-related technology when not working is essential for our well-being. Constantly engaging with work-related communication tools, such as email or work-related apps on our personal smartphones, can lead to burnout and an inability to disconnect. By establishing boundaries and giving ourselves time away from work-related technology, we allow ourselves to recharge and focus on other aspects of our lives. In conclusion, mastering self-management skills is vital for success in remote work environments. By being organized, disciplined, and self-motivated, we can ensure that our work is completed effectively. By establishing routines, taking breaks, and creating a distinct workspace, we can reduce the impact of overworking and maintain a healthy work-life balance. And by disengaging from work-related technology when not working, we can give ourselves the necessary mental and emotional space to recharge. With these skills and practices, we can thrive in our remote work settings and achieve both personal and professional fulfillment. Working remotely presents unique challenges, such as increased distractions and potential for isolation. However, by implementing certain strategies, we can maximize our productivity and achieve success in our remote work endeavors. The first step to being productive when working remotely is to plan and set goals. By outlining our daily and weekly goals, we establish a clear direction for our work. This enables us to prioritize tasks effectively and ensures that we are working towards specific targets. For example, at the beginning of each week, create a list of tasks to be accomplished and break them down into daily goals accordingly. This strategic approach keeps us focused and helps us manage our time efficiently. Staying focused on tasks is crucial for productivity in a remote work environment. Distractions can easily derail our progress and consume valuable time. It is essential to identify potential distractions and take proactive measures to minimize their impact. This might involve creating a dedicated workspace, using time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique, or utilizing productivity apps that block access to distracting websites or apps during work sessions. By staying focused and minimizing distractions, we can maintain our productivity levels and achieve optimal results. Tracking our progress is another key element in being productive while working remotely. Instead of solely relying on managers or supervisors to check our progress, it is important to regularly evaluate our own performance. By checking our progress against the set goals, preferably on a daily basis, we can identify any deviations or issues that may be hindering our productivity. This self-assessment allows us to address and resolve problems promptly, such as addressing distractions or adjusting goals and priorities if necessary. By taking ownership of our progress, we can stay on track and maintain a high level of productivity. When encountering project or technical issues, it is beneficial to attempt to resolve them independently. Remote work often requires us to be resourceful and find solutions on our own. By investigating and testing potential solutions, utilizing the information systems available within our organization, conducting online research, or seeking advice from colleagues, we can often overcome obstacles without relying on external support. Developing advanced online search techniques can prove invaluable in finding relevant information efficiently. This proactive problem-solving approach allows us to maintain our workflow and minimize downtime. However, there may be instances when independent problem-solving is not sufficient. In such cases, it is important to escalate the issues appropriately and in a timely manner. Recognizing when a problem requires external expertise or intervention is essential for maintaining productivity. By promptly seeking the help of the relevant person or team, we can ensure that issues are addressed efficiently and minimize any potential negative impact on our work. Effective communication and collaboration in escalating issues contribute to maintaining a smooth workflow and ultimately enhance productivity. In summary, being productive while working remotely requires proactive strategies and self-discipline. By planning and setting goals, staying focused on tasks, tracking our progress, resolving issues independently, and escalating when necessary, we can maximize our productivity and achieve success in our remote work endeavors. Working collaboratively, even when physically apart, is crucial for achieving shared goals and fostering a positive and productive work environment. Effective communication lies at the heart of successful remote teamwork, and I would like to discuss some key principles to keep in mind. One of the ways to communicate effectively when working remotely is through regular informal communication with colleagues. Engaging in conversations with colleagues across the organization, even in a non-work related context, helps establish relationships and trust. These informal water cooler conversations create connections beyond our immediate team and contribute to a sense of belonging and engagement with the broader organization. Trust enables open communication, which in turn improves innovation, productivity, collaboration, and the achievement of shared goals. In addition to informal communication, regular team communication is essential in a remote work environment. By interacting frequently with our teammates, we can ensure that project activities are coordinated effectively and that everyone is on the same page. Regular team communication allows for the exchange of strategies, ideas, and best practices, fostering a collaborative and connected team that is focused on achieving shared goals. It also provides an opportunity to address any challenges or concerns as a group, ensuring that everyone is informed and engaged. Maintaining regular communication with our managers is equally important. Frequent interactions with our managers help ensure that goals and targets are clearly set, and that we receive valuable feedback on our performance. It is also an opportunity to share our opinions, suggestions, or any concerns we may have. This type of communication can boost morale, improve performance, and strengthen the relationship between team members and their managers. When it comes to professional communication, it is important to consider certain considerations or etiquette. First and foremost, using clear and accurate language is essential. By avoiding ambiguity, slang, or offensive language, we can ensure that our messages are understood correctly and that there are no misunderstandings. It is also crucial to adhere to organizational policies regarding the appropriate use of technology and communication platforms. This means refraining from sharing any inappropriate or unnecessary content and always exercising good judgment and professionalism. Furthermore, it is essential to empathize with others when communicating remotely. Understanding and acknowledging different viewpoints and priorities can foster a respectful and inclusive work environment. Even when we disagree with someone's opinion, it is important to remain respectful and considerate in our communication. Empathy strengthens relationships, promotes collaboration, and enhances overall teamwork. In summary, effective teamwork in a remote work environment relies on communication strategies that foster collaboration and understanding. By engaging in regular informal communication with colleagues, maintaining open and frequent team communication, and establishing regular communication with our managers, we create a cohesive and engaged team. Additionally, by adhering to professional communication principles, such as using clear and accurate language, avoiding inappropriate content, and empathizing with others, we foster a respectful and inclusive work environment. As we continue our exploration of remote teamwork, I would like to highlight the significance of effective collaboration within a remote team. Collaboration is key to achieving shared goals, promoting innovation, and driving success in our work. Let's delve into some important aspects of effective collaboration in a remote team. First and foremost, working towards shared goals is paramount. It is essential for the team to have a clear understanding of the objectives and outcomes we aim to achieve together. By setting clear goals, we provide a framework for our collective efforts and ensure that everyone is aligned and working towards the same purpose. Recognizing team and individual achievements along the way helps motivate and inspire the team to push forward and deliver outstanding results. Another crucial aspect of collaboration is the ability to openly communicate opinions and ideas. In a remote team, where face-to-face interactions may be limited, it becomes even more important to create an environment where team members feel empowered to express their thoughts, share their insights, and contribute to the collective decision-making process. By encouraging open and honest communication, we can tap into the diverse perspectives within our team, leading to more innovative solutions and fostering a culture of trust and inclusivity. Understanding roles and responsibilities is equally vital in remote collaboration. Each team member should have a clear understanding of their specific responsibilities and how their contributions fit into the larger picture. Clarity in roles helps avoid confusion and duplication of efforts, allowing the team to work more efficiently and effectively. By understanding our respective roles, we can leverage our strengths and expertise to achieve optimal results and support one another in accomplishing our shared objectives. In a remote work environment, utilizing collaborative tools appropriately is essential for seamless teamwork. These tools can range from project management platforms to communication and file sharing applications. By using these tools consistently and in accordance with organizational policies and guidance, we can streamline our collaboration efforts, improve communication, and enhance overall productivity. Effective utilization of collaborative tools allows for easy access to information, efficient project tracking, and seamless coordination among team members, regardless of their physical locations. In summary, effective collaboration in a remote team requires us to work towards shared goals, openly communicate opinions and ideas, understand our roles and responsibilities, and use collaborative tools appropriately. By setting clear goals and recognizing achievements, we provide direction and motivation for our team. Encouraging open communication fosters an inclusive and innovative environment, where everyone's voices are heard and valued. Understanding roles and responsibilities ensures that each team member can contribute effectively and efficiently. Lastly, Leveraging collaborative tools appropriately facilitates seamless coordination and enhances productivity within our remote team. Let us embrace the power of effective collaboration in our remote work setting and strive for excellence as we work together towards our shared goals.